This Torah class is brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.
This is the week of Purim Haba Aleinu L'Tova. We're in the aftermath of Parsha Zachar. V'yata Tetzaveh B'nei Yisrael. Where is there a Remez in Tetzaveh how we're mashlim the chesaron that was inflicted upon us by Amalek? So we know that because of Amalek, Yad al Keska, God's throne is missing the Aleph, and God's name is missing the Vav and the Hey. As the Marsha explains, Ki Bachar Hashem b'Tzion, when God will select Tzion, Iva l'Moishavlai, the letters Aleph and Vav and Hey will return to where it was taken from. They will be returned. Says the holy Tzaddik Ranana, the Ben La'ashri, V'ata, Parsha Tetzaveh, V'ata, the letters Aleph, the letters Vav and Hey, that will be a tikkun, the tikkun for the Vav Hey and the Aleph, V'ata, Rashi Tevos, Taf, tikkun, Vav Hey for the letters Vav Hey that were taken from the Shem of Hashem, Aleph, the Aleph from the case, V'ata, a tikkun for the Vav Hey, and the Aleph, Tetzaveh, the way you're mechaber, a lashon of tzavois, a way of attaching, the way you attach these letters that are chasar. We know, when does Amalek come by Yisu Merafidim? It says, Vayavoy Amalek, Vayilachim im Yisrael Berafidim. They fought Klal Yisrael in Rafidim when we slackened off from Torah. The way we overcome Amalek is when their Koil Yaakov is heard in the Bate Knesiyos, especially of the Bnei Yisrael, of the young Yidden, of the Tinoika Shabes Rabban. So S, when we learn the Torah, the Oisiyos HaTorah, Aleph through Tav, Bnei Yisrael, the children of Klal Yisrael. That is the way we're mashlim, the Aleph and the Vav and the Hey, V'ata, the tikkun of the Vav and the Hey and the Aleph. Tetzaveh, the way we are mechaber, the missing letters. S, by learning the letters of the Torah, Aleph through Taf, especially the Bnei Yisrael, the Tinoika Shabes Rabban. This will be a tikkun for the infliction and affliction of Amalek. We should be zoichet to see the tikkun. B'mhera v'yameinu. Amen.
You've just experienced another Torah class brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.